Using only your scissor and old pieces of papers, you can transform your environment into a very beautiful event center for a birthday celebration. Please enjoy the cruise. Here we will be using all cartons. After consuming the cereal, you simply, with the hands, you can tear it into pieces because it's very convenient and it's already set. So just open the carton of cereal. You can, the lines are already neatly folded and they are very easy, even without the use of scissors, to cut them using the bare hands. So you divide into 4 depending on the size of letters you want to create. If you want your letters to be very large, you could leave it in the large form. Or if you want to divide it into 4 parts, you can also do that. Even after these 4 parts, you can still divide it into yet another part if you want smaller letters. Now you have several of them according to the numbers you want to, the numbers of alphabets you want to create. So this is what we want to achieve, this shape. You fold the paper in 2. In the middle, you just demarcate a part where you're going to cut out. Please ensure that the sizes in between the spaces are the same. So you neatly cut out along the demarcated lines. So once you cut that out and you open, this is the shape you are going to achieve. So once you have this shape now, we'll start dividing them, we'll start designing them into various alphabets now. So just get set and let's keep cruising together. This shape can give you all these alphabets. Let's start with A. For the A, you simply cut the space down and then you have your A. You have the option of shaping it to come up with your A. Let's go to C. C, you see how C is. Be guided by the other C that is at the side, and then you have your C. You write D. You cut the sides neatly. If you see D, one side is a bit slanty. Then you cut the middle out, and you have your D. For E is pretty easy. You look at the shape. All right, E. Then you cut out that part that covers it. You go to the top, you also cut. Please be guided by that E by the side, and then you have your E. Once you shape the sides, just to give it some beauty, and there are different ways you can achieve that. Now, can you guess the letter we are cutting? Oh. Did you guess G? Did you guess G? Did you guess G? Did you guess G? All right. Here is G. Now, we want to cut out letters and have this. Happy birthday. That's our target. Please subscribe for more as we continue cruising together. There are a lot of things waiting for us on the way. Now let's try H. H is very similar to A, but this time you cut both sides. I is very simple. You just cut it out one side and you have your I. Now, J, yes. Remove the middle like O, but yes, you have your J, right? These are the alphabets that are possible within these formulas. And we'll continue with L. You see, we skipped K. K belongs to another category. Please, just pause now and cut O. Let's see. Allah. All right, this is your O. O is similar to D. The difference is that in O, both sides are slanty, but in D, only one side is slanty. So that makes it very, 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 very easy to achieve. P, yes. P is like D. You see the upper part of P is actually the shape of D. Yes. So you cut it out neatly and you have your P. Which letter is closest to P? Yes, you have B, you have R. Okay. Now you can also achieve R very easily. If you left the down part of R, you will get B. All right. What are we cutting? We are cutting S here. Can you try cutting the S? We are not putting a sign to help you. Pause it and see if you can cut it. Okay. You shape the top, cut the middle, then you cut out the first bend to G to S. You see, it looks like G in a way at this point. This is how G was written, but now we are leaving the middle part and we are only cutting the back. That makes it different from G. Okay, this is your S now. That is, you just shape the sides to have a color, to have a shape. U is very simple. It's like O, but you are removing the down part of it or the upper part of the O. So this is what you have. U. V is different. W is different. X is different. Now we simply write our Y. Y is also very easy. It's like J, but you cut the top. You see, Y is U. From the top, you have a U. Then you simply cut out your Y and you have your Y. So please, for more, please subscribe. We are going to, in the next edition, we are going to coach how to write the K, M, N, O, V, W, X, and Z. You are highly appreciated for following to the end. And in this edition, only 17 letters can be cut using the formula we showed. In order to know how to complete the other formulas, please subscribe and stay with us. These are the letters that these formulas can produce. Thank you.